what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and never met a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So welcome to a new series that I'm starting on my channel. It's called Mythical, Unearthly, and Makeup. This episode is just going to be kind of like an introduction on what that is, and I'm going to do my makeup obviously while I talk about it. I'm excited about it. I definitely, like I mentioned in one of my videos, I really want to start doing a lot of more supernatural stuff on my channel. I'm separating, like Friday Frights is always dedicated to like things that go bump in the night, and this is going to be things that I just like find really fun. So yeah. So I'm going into the Exquisite Volume 2 palette, which is by Gourmande Girls, and it was a collab with Batgirlekta. I'm excited. This palette is really nice. I've used it once before. I've been really looking forward to trying Gourmande Girls because I've only heard good things about them. And I figured this palette is perfect for today with supernatural stuff because it's got really fun, supernaturally kind of names. So this series is kind of going to replace Whimsical Wine Wednesdays, which I failed miserably at doing. I love doing things, like I love doing Friday Frights on Fridays, but I really hate having myself like tied down to a specific day of uploading, except for Friday Frights because I'll keep that. And Whimsical Wine Wednesdays just really didn't fit into my schedule because with work and everything, it wasn't always feasible to like shoot a Whimsical Wine Wednesdays. Sometimes I just wasn't in the mood to do it, and then I ended up like not drinking my wine while I did the video, and then it would get warm. It was just, yeah. But so this is where I'm going to talk about things like that, like really like fairies and just things that I find like really interesting versus things that I find creepy and scary. Although this week of Friday Frights, the name of the thing that I'm talking about made me laugh, but it definitely still falls under Friday Frights because it's not a friendly thing. But that's actually why I picked it, because I saw it and it made me laugh. I'm like, what is this? But I just love like the supernatural, and this isn't just gonna be for like mystical, like enchanted type of things. Like I also really love outer space, so I'm gonna probably talk about some of that on this channel, on this series too. That's why I put the Unearthly part in it, because I find that fascinating as well. It's pouring outside, so if you hear that, yeah, it's a really dark day today. I don't know what it is about the supernatural that I just love so much, but I just really do. I just find it so interesting. Like when I read books and stuff, it's usually in the fantasy genre. It's not too much sci-fi. It definitely leans more towards fantasy. Harry Potter is one of my favorite books of all time. It's just so good. I mean, I don't know how I feel about J.K. Rowling anymore, but taking her out of the equation, the books themselves I really like. I think it always fascinates me that there could possibly be like this otherworldly things out there that like we can't always access. And I think I just find that totally fascinating. Like I love reading about like magic and all that kind of stuff. It's just so interesting to me. I don't know if any of you guys like that or if I'm just like scaring the crap out of you. I'm so sorry. I mean, I'm more of an observer than a participant. I just like really love I do like my own tarot cards and oracle cards and stuff, but that's it. And I only do it for myself. I wouldn't say that like I'm a good enough reader to do it for other people. I'm actually gotten pretty good at it though. And I can see auras. I have to really concentrate though, like it's not something that's easy for me to do, but that's pretty cool. I'm just like never gonna grow up. Like I'm always gonna be that person that's like, fairies are real. One day I will see one. So the 3 colors so far that I've used from this palette are Gaia, Milky Way, and Nebula right here. Now, when I said there was no sparkle that I have met that I didn't like, I meant it. And now, you know how I feel about multi-chrome and sparkle eyeshadows and holographic stuff? Well, Chaos Cosmetics, which is a brand I've been wanting to try anyway, really stepped up their game, and they released these like holographic multi-chrome shadows, and I like couldn't help myself, and I was like, I'm not gonna order it because they were $25 a piece, and I've been trying not to buy stuff, but I couldn't help myself, so I only bought one, the one that first attracted me to it, and this is called Holo Magma right here, and I'm gonna use it because holographic multi-chrome screams Mythical and Unearthly makeup. So yeah, but oh my god, I've only kind of swatched it on my hands before. I had done a TikTok with it, so this is the first time I'm using it, but oh my god, so excited. It's like made my life. Oh my god, there's so many cool colors too, like when I have extra money and I save up. Oh my god, look at that. You can't really see the like, but I mean I can, but like, oh my god, so cool. But it has holographic glitter in it. Oh my god, it's so exciting. I also ordered the color called Dark Matter because I thought this was really, really cool. I'll show you this too. Haven't used this one yet either. I've just like swatched them on my arms. But this is like a really dark, like black based multi-chrome, which my light is making it look like nothing. But you really can't see it. Yeah, my light is doing a terrible, terrible job of showing that off because it's absolutely stunning. But it shifts from like red to purple to black. It's just very cool. And Chaos Cosmetics actually just started their own like mixing medium, or you can use that as a primer too, so I'm actually going to try that out as well. You got a free jar of it when you ordered the shadows. And they want like customer feedback, so I figured we would try it out. This would be perfect. Oops, of course I just dropped some down my face because why not? Oh, that's really pretty. Oh my god. Like, I don't know if my camera is gonna pick it up, but like my mirror, you can see the glitter, like the holographic glitter. Let me clean that mess up. That looks really terrible. Be right back. So far, this mixing medium slash primer seems to work really nice. I feel like a little bit of it will go a long way. And I'm just using it like I do with all my other primers, where I squeeze it on the back of my hand, or this I just dab, and then I just spread a thin layer like on my lid, because that's just how I do it. Try and not have so much fallout on this side. This is beautiful. I don't know if I actually hit the color I got. I got Hollow Magma. That's the color I got. I'm going to quickly close that because I don't ever trust myself with loose pigments. I'm very clumsy. And I'm not graceful. At all. Did not get any of those traits. That is absolutely stunning. I don't know if you can see the shift. I love how the highlight on my nose is picking up really weird. I actually use an eyeshadow. It's from Beauty Bar Baby. I think it's called Electric or something. I'll have it listed below. Instead of being in the eyeshadow section, it'll be under highlighter. So for my waterline, I just went in with Colourpop's Cream Gel Liner in the color Boots. This is one of my favorite liners. It is so smooth and it writes so nice. It does stain a little bit, I will let you know. So now I'm going to jump back into the Gourmande Girls palette. And I think for my under eye, I'm going to jump into this color Andromeda right here. I know all these palettes have mirrors, but it's just easier for me to hold my Sleeping Beauty mirror. Plus, I feel like really bougie and special with it. So what kind of supernatural stuff are you guys into? If any. Like, I love supernatural stuff, but I don't like to be, like, scared. Like, I don't like haunted houses because I don't like jump scares. But yet at the same time, like, I live in an actual, like, okay, my house isn't haunted, but I mean, but that's for another time. That's for Friday Frights. And also, what, like, supernatural YouTubers or, like, paranormal YouTubers do you guys watch? I used to watch a whole bunch, but I really don't like the ones that, like, do the fake investigations and stuff where, you know, it's, like, totally set up. Like, I'd rather them have no results than have fake results where you're, like, running in the background, like, what was that? And you know it was somebody with them. Like, you know what I mean. Like, not downplaying it, but you know what I mean. But I really enjoy watching, like, Haley Reese and, like, Loey Lean and Brittany Crab. They're some of my favorites to watch. I've been on a super Brittany Crab kick lately because she does all the crazy, like, supernatural games that I would never in my life play, but she does because she's unafraid. This was the color that I used for my has a little bit of hard pan on it. For my highlight, it's actually called Elusive, not Electric. And I think I'm actually going to go into that and use that as my inner corner as well. This is another one that, this is an awesome color over a black base. It's really cool. I might have to do something during Colleen's Fubetober with this color. This is so cool. So this is my finished look right here. I don't know if you can see the holographic shift in the eyeshadow. I'll try and get a close-up with my macro lens and maybe a video, and if I do, I'll insert it right here. This way maybe I can get a better view with different lighting so you can actually see the beautiful shift on that eyeshadow. But I really love how this look came out. I'm very happy with how Chaos Cosmetics, my first impression of them, performed. I'm really liking Gourmande Girls Cosmetics. I used that palette actually yesterday when I went to work, so I had it on for a while, and it did a really nice job. I didn't use these colors. I actually used black. I did like a smoky eye, and it went on really, really nice. So I'm liking it so far. So yes, that is an introduction, a rambling introduction, into what Mythical, Unearthly, and makeup will be. Next time when you tune in, if you tune in, I hope that you do. If not, that's totally okay. I'll actually be talking about an actual topic, kind of like on Friday, like with Friday Frights. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I know I'm not one of the cool kids, but that's okay. And I still thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!